Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin? First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app downloaded and installed on your phone. If you don't have the app, go to your app store and search for Trust Wallet and download it. Open the app and you'll arrive at your main wallet dashboard. This is where you see your portfolio. To begin, you will need to navigate to Bitcoin on your home screen by swiping or scrolling and tapping on it. When you tap on Bitcoin, you will have the options to send, receive, or buy. Tap on buy. You'll now be directed to a purchase screen, where you can select the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy based on your local currency. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to purchase. The app will then show you available third-party providers that facilitate the purchase. These providers integrate directly with Trust Wallet to process your transaction. Select the provider that works best for you. These generally allow you to use a credit card, debit card, or other payment methods. After selecting a provider, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. This will include your credit card details, billing address, and any other necessary information. Double-check that everything's correct. Review the transaction details carefully, including the amount of Bitcoin you will receive and the fees associated. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction to complete the purchase. After your payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation message. The Bitcoin will be credited to your Trust Wallet. Keep an eye on your wallet to see the Bitcoin arrive. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased Bitcoin. Remember to always keep your wallet secure and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.